Welcome back to Better Life, Better Living. Today we're going to teach you how to plant potato, taro, and ginger, essential roots for your health and wellness. These three root vegetables are extremely beneficial for both their fiber as well as general gut health and digestion. Don't worry if you've got zero experience with gardening. We're going to go step by step through the process of creating healthy soil as well as the planting of the root to create optimum results. So save this video for later, sit back, relax, and join us as we teach you the essentials for a beginner's gardening. Longtime subscribers will be familiar with this step. However, for newcomers, we're going to cover the cultivation of a healthy soil using household scraps. We're going to use household scraps such as rinds, eggshells, and banana peels to create a live compost for our soil. And stay tuned for a gardening hack that only your grandparents would know to take our soil to the next level. Now, add some fresh potting soil and lightly pack it down to create a fertile bed for our plants to go into. Starting with the taro root, dig a slight hole in the soil for the taro root to sit and lightly pack it into the soil. One benefit of root vegetables is that it doesn't take long to start to see some sprouts. We'll pack these two in together so you can really see them grow. Lightly pack everything into our soil mixture and you'll know you did everything right when you start to see results in under 2 weeks by green sprouts coming up through the soil. When it comes to gardening, it doesn't get much easier than that. Next, we're moving on to the ginger root. Universally recognized for its distinct flavor as well as benefits to digestive health, ginger is a great root plant to add to your vegetable garden. Just pack them into your soil and add a bit of water to let them know that they're home. Root vegetables are extremely hardy and can survive alongside any other plants that you put into your garden. Just like before, let's prep our soil for the next vegetable, perhaps the most important. So what's the secret to bring your soil to the next level? Well, check this out. Expired vitamins you don't want to take? Well, here's how they benefit your plants. Add some water to your vitamin bottle and wait for 3 or 4 days. Then you can add it to your soil to create a vitamin-rich soil for your plants. Let's move on to the star of our show, potatoes. You got any potatoes that sat in the back of the cupboard for too long? It's growing some eyes? Don't worry, this is good for you in the long run. If a potato grows eyes, it's just looking for some soil. So, let's introduce it to some soil. Slice up your potato, leaving about 1 inch underneath its eyes, and place it face down into your soil. If you've followed all of our steps so far, this will create the perfect foundation for a potato to grow healthy and strong. Those eyes aren't just an annoying nub to cut off while you're trying to cook, but they're actually a root, trying to seek out dirt to grow more potatoes. Direct sunlight will kill any root, so those potato eyes must be buried under at least 1 inch of soil. Add a bit of water to your soil. Not so much that you drown them, but just enough to let them know you're home. And again, if you want to take it to the next level, add those vitamins to your soil now. And there you have it. If you're going to have a garden, it's best to start with the roots. And here are the 3 most essential root vegetables to put in your garden for your health and benefits.